All right, ladies and gentlemen, eyes to the left. You can hear the sounds of thunder. Well, it's not in the sky, it's on the ground, as the world's fastest jet-powered truck is coming in from your left. Aftershock, the jet-powered truck, a 1940 Ford fire truck with two huge jet engines that develop over 24,000 horsepower. Mark Smith at the controls from Springfield, Missouri. Listen to the huge jet engines roar as he comes down the show line. These twin Rolls-Royce jet engines have a thrust-to-weight ratio of 3-to-1. The truck will go from 0 to 60 miles an hour in only 1.5 seconds, 3 times faster than an F-15 jet fighter. The force of gravity. Woo! Boy, you thought the Batmobile had a big plane. Nothing on Aftershock. The driver is Mark Smith. He's performed at drag races and air shows for many years. He's owned several jet dragsters and has run the quarter mile at over 300 miles an hour. Not new to Aftershock's fire truck, he actually used his own truck. Darnell Racing Enterprises now owns Aftershock and is recognized as an industrial leader with 4 of the fastest jet trucks in the world. As you heard me mention earlier, you can look it up in the Guinness World Record. The fire truck ran a blistering 407 miles an hour. Be sure to stop by after Aftershock runs down the runway. This machine isn't just fast, it's beautiful. Souvenir t-shirts, hats, and photos are available. And of course, the crew would love to meet you a little bit later on. Mark Smith will now get ready to take the aircraft, the truck out towards the runway. And when this happens, folks, it happens very quickly. Get your cameras ready. Mark will experience up to 6 Gs as the huge parachute opens up later on. It's amazing the forces, again, that we talk about, G-forces. That's the force of gravity. And when he accelerates his truck, he's going to be slammed into that seat at 9 times the force of gravity. That means if you weighed 100 pounds, it'll make you feel like you weigh 900 pounds. The truck will be accelerating to almost 350 miles an hour down the runway. Mark takes the Aftershock down to the end of the runway. In a moment, he'll turn that beautiful truck back around and we'll get ready for some incredible acceleration and speed from Aftershock. All right, get your cameras and camcorders, get everything ready to rock and roll because we're just seconds away. Again, from 0 to 60 in only 1.5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, here he goes! Parachute pops out, and just that fast, he'll go from 350 to 250 in just 1 second. Wow, that is amazing. And we're gonna get to see that. If you missed it, well, you're not out of luck. We're gonna do it a little bit later as well. Absolutely amazing. The Aftershock jet-powered truck. Again, we want to encourage you when they get back and pull in, you can go by and check out all the great souvenirs, t-shirts, hats, and photos that are available. They'd love to meet you and get a close-up look at Aftershock.